Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the members of the PCI. There are the three types of members. First is ex officio members, second is nominated members, and third are the elected members. Nominated members are the members that nominated by the central government. Next is the ex officio members. There are the three members: Director General of the Medical and Health Science Services of India, Drug Controller General of India, Director. Elected members are eight, six members of whom at least one teacher of each of the following subject: pharmacology, pharmacognosy, and surgical chemistry, elected by the UGC from the amongst teacher of Indian University, diploma of degree. One member elected by the Medical Council of India, and there are the one member elected by the State Pharmacy Council of each state, and who should be registered pharmacist. Nominated members: six members nominated by the Government of India, MHRD, of which at least the four should possess the degree of the diploma in the pharmacy education or the practicing the pharmacy or the pharmaceutical chemistry. One representatives of the UGC and AICTE, and one member representing each state government or the union territory, who shall be registered pharmacist and nominated by the respective state government. Thank you for watching.